Struggling with your Epson printer? You are not alone. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to refill your ink tanks in just minutes, saving your time and money. Stay tuned. Here you can see we have four color. This one is magenta color. This one is cyan color. This one is black color. And you can see this is the intake packet. And this color is yellow. You can see the black color, yellow color, magenta color and cyan color tank, and you can see the color code 003. You can see my black color indicator is already low, but other three colors are almost full, but I will also show you how to refill those things. But my black color is really need to refill. Now this is the tank. You can see the tank logo here, and this is the model of printer, and you can see the ink indicator. Just pull down this cap here and you can see the colors. Now we are gonna refill our ink over there. Just you can see this is the black ink. You can see the color code also. Just pull the cap and open up the bottle, and just you can see this part. Just push it and you can see our ink is already refilling start. You can see the indicator also. You can see the ink is refilling. Okay, my bottle is empty because I used it before, so we are going to refill another ink, and this one is cyan color. Okay, doing the same thing. Pull the cap and open up our bottle and just do thing. You need to doing the same and push the bottle again, because if you don't push, sometime it will not refilling. So you can see my ink is refilled. Now we will refill the magenta color. This is the magenta color indicator, and we're going to push it again. Just push it. And you can see the magenta color is refilling. You can see clearly. Now I will refilling the yellow color. You can see the bottle is almost empty, but you can see my tank also full. After refilling the ink, make sure to run a cleaning cycle to get the ink flowing through the printer. To do this, press and hold the cancel button for 5 or 6 seconds. Now wait a few minutes for the process complete. After the cleaning is complete, close the ink tank caps. Now turn off the printer so we can perform the manual nozzle check. To perform a manual nozzle check, the printer must be off. Press and hold both the cancel and power button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds, then release them. After releasing, wait 10 to 20 seconds for the nozzle check to print. Printer is already printed, and I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.